Hello, welcome to tutorial for your channel. In this video, we will write a program to reverse a given number. For example, if a user input 1, 2, 3 in the program, it should reverse it and print 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look at the program. Here you can see it's saying enter a number, and I will enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and I click enter. Now you can see it has successfully reversed the number to 4, 3, 2, 1. So in this video we will make this program. To make this program you will need 3 variables of integer and 1 while loop. First of all, we will make 3 integer variables. First is number, second is remainder, and third one is reverse, which initial value is 0. Then we will just print enter a number, as you can see here. Then we will take what user has entered and convert it into integer, and then store that value in the number variable. Then we will make a while loop and pass a number which user have entered in a condition that it should be greater than 0. Then we will write this line of code. This line of code will return us the last number which user have entered. For example, if a user have entered 1, 2, 3, this line of code will return us 3. So let's see how this works. We are dividing 1, 2, 3 which user have entered by 10. So if we divide 1, 2, 3 by 10, 10 multiplied by 12 gives us 120, and the 3 will be the remainder. So our remainder value will be 3. So this code will return us 3. Then we have a reverse variable. So you can see the initial value of reverse is 0, and reverse multiplied by 10 and plus remainder. So our reverse value is 0. So 0 multiplied by 10 gives us 0, plus remainder gives us 3. So 0 plus 3 gives us 3. So our reverse will become 3. Next, what we are doing, we are dividing the number which user have entered by 10. So 1, 2, 3 divided by 10 gives us 12.3. So our number is an integer, so it will not take the point variable, it will just take 12, and our number will become 12. So you can see here the quotient is also 12. Basically, when we do division, 10 here is called divisor, the number 1, 2, 3 is dividend, and this 12 is called quotient, and this 3 number which is the remainder. So we are getting remainder as well as quotient. So our reverse is 3 and our number is 12. So this loop will run again. It will check if 12 is greater than 0, which is true. So it will come in the loop, and then we will divide 12 by 10. So 12 divided by 10, 10 multiplied by 1 gives us 10. Then we minus 10, we get 2 as the remainder. So now our remainder has become 2. So now in the second line, our reverse value was 3. So 3 multiplied by 10 gives us 30, plus the remainder which is 2. 30 plus 2 gives us 32. So our reverse value will become 32. In next line, number, we are still dividing it by 10. So 12, our number has become 12 divided by 10 gives us 1.2. So our number will become 1. So basically, if you see this is getting the last number. The first line of code, remainder is equal to number, is getting the last number of which user have input, and then the last line of code is removing that number from the list. So first it took 3 as a remainder, then it took 2, and first it removed 3 from the number which was 123 originally, and it removed 3 from it, then it removed 2 from it, now it is 1. So now our reverse is 32 and our number is 1. Then this loop will run again. We'll check 1 is greater than 0. So 1 is greater than 0, which is true. Then we come to a second line, remainder is equal to number, percentage sign 10. So now we will divide 1 by 10. So it is not possible to divide 1 by 10. So 10 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. And if we minus 0 from 1, we will get 1. So now we got the remainder 1. Now we come to the second line. Our reverse value was 32 multiplied by 100 gives us 320 plus 1, which was our remainder. So it gives us 321. So as you can see, our number was 1, 2, 3, and now it has reversed and it has become 321. So now we come to the next line, which is number divided by 10. So 1 is the number divided by 10 gives us 0.1. So now our number will become 0. So now it will check number 0 is greater than 0. This condition is false now. So this while loop will stop, and now we just have to print the reverse number is reversed. Basically this while loop is the important part of this program, which is reversing the number. So let's check this program one more time. So now I will enter number 1, 2, 3, and it should reverse it and make it 3 to 1. I click enter, so you can see now it is 3 to 1. So we have successfully reversed our number. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more. Have a nice day.